As you can see, guys, here we have a folder. Here we have another folder. Here we have another folder. In this straight to the point tutorials, the type of tutorials that I like to do, I'm going to show you how you can create a folder in monday.com. This awesome tool that can really help you a lot. Okay, so now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do in order to create a folder, you have to click on this add right over here, click on add, and then here we have a couple of options, but look up, down, right to the last one, and here we have new folder. Click on it, and then here you see the new folder we added. Now here you can simply write the name of your folder, and that's pretty much it. But don't forget and don't leave, because I'm gonna show you how you can grab and you can add some boards. Okay, you can even create a board. Click on here, add new boards, and then you can create a new board, right? But maybe you want to use this board inside. Now from here, that's the cool part. Now after you created your folder, you can drag a new board inside this folder. Okay, you can grab this board, you can drag inside this folder, you can expand or extend or expand this folder. Okay, you can add maybe this one. You can add this my contacts to this folder. Okay, and yeah, I hope you learned something, guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.